guys. This is a very, very, very late market recap. Today I had a one of those days where you gotta take care of 3,000 things. And I know tomorrow is all about NFP, but I still wanted to go over a few things because they can do NFP all morning, and obviously that will dictate the market. But there's other things. That does not mean that after we see what the results are and we see how the market reacts, we will know our pathway for next week, and we can still catch some good moves end of day. I do want to highlight that the market closed right here, and we had a gap up of the 10, and it's gone even higher. You see this channel, I'm gonna be keeping an eye on that, okay, because as of right now it's trying to retest back higher, okay, and we want it to dump for the market to go higher. Now Dixie was obviously coming down today, and after hours it's done the same thing. Now it's retesting here. Usually if this holds it'll go higher, but the stow is maxed out, so we'll see. It'll be interesting. Obviously this all has to do with the overnight market. Now let me highlight this. China gap up and hold as of right now, and they're about to close here in 30 minutes while filming this. And the US 500 has held pretty steady all night. The UK is green, okay. Let's check if any DAX data has come in yet. Yeah, it's still green. So weird things. I do want to highlight this. The VIX, even though it came down today, is still very much elevated, and as per the chart can go higher, but is primed to go lower. This initial move will be the NFP move. Now I do want to say that Eastern Standard Time at 11:30 Joe Biden is going to speak on the numbers. Now would he come out, and if that number is high, the market will take a hit. Is he going to say how awesome Bidenomics are? That is one angle. If the numbers are bad and the market loves it, he might come out and say how fantastic things are either way, okay? Oil obviously still down. Tech loves that. Just looking at this, once that cross happens, which we got today, I would think we test sub 80 and test this 89, and if that doesn't hold, it comes down to here. And I am going to put an alert right there, because I'm gonna be grabbing me some Oxy when that happens. Okay, today we also had a few AMC spikes, not too worried about that. This KRE setup though, they will pump this up if or when the market goes, and also to save this whole sector. So this is going to be main watch. Those freaking calls closed at 475%. They juiced like crazy in the close. Bitcoin at 27.5. Let me show you what the dark pool looks like. Let's update this. We still have not hit that 427 after that ghost candle, but we have tomorrow to do so. As you can see, still holding dark pool and even some buys after, you know, they're not full on selling here is my point. And you go on the 15-minute and it's very apparent on SPY. There's that ghost candle right there. If you see right there, we still haven't hit that. So is it possible it hits pre-market? Yes. Is it possible we dip down and that is our destination? Yeah. Again, every single day they've gapped this down a little bit, and you need to be 95% cash until until that pattern changes, since it's all about patterns. Now today, yes, is this ugly? Yes, because we didn't quite reach that. Does it still work pattern wise? Yes, because this smaller inverted head and shoulders is a part of a much larger inverted head and shoulders. Now for this to still be tracking, we need a sizable move upwards tomorrow. If not, this pink line becomes a new trend line. Okay, so I'll keep you updated on that. Okay, I'll post the range when we open. As you can tell, waiting has paid, but this is all starting to curl. So we'll see what the NFP can be one thing, and if we go down on it, this then changes to come down all the way, and on Wednesday, because we will sell, and on Wednesday then this inverted head and shoulders pattern changes. This is still tracking. I have a minor trend change day tomorrow. That could mean that we hit up here, or it could mean that we go and test the lows again and further down, and then Wednesday we would head up higher. We will see. The market risk closed at 311. It is still way high up there. Don't like it is. That is the case. Now for those of you on the train, well, obviously this pink trend line, you need to have it, and you can already see why. Where is it coming from? It is coming from Friday 29th high. It's actually an hourly. Let me change it to an hourly so you can see it. It hits there, and then it hits the Monday, and then it hits Thursday the 5th. Okay, which was today. Here, still pretty messy, but it works. So we will see tomorrow. Meta, what a move today. That 300 level is a buy, but obviously now, since we're playing this, draw out this larger wedge. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so either the pink line here or 300, goodbye. Boeing had a move. I'm expecting this can run independently from the market. Keep an eye on this tomorrow. LMT, it's almost time. It has sold off quite a bit. It has literally sold since last earnings, and that was 475. It's sold since then. I will be buying this for the upside either on next week's Friday or the Monday. We'll see. I'm not messing with Carvana. JPM, banks are getting money. I'm not messing with Netflix. Now Tesla, beautiful moves as of late. However, they did a price cut after hours. Okay, they did another price cut. I would think we test this line, so draw it in. Last time Tesla did a price cut, it was not bullish. Okay, remember, it started eating all kinds of stuff, and as you can see, after hours has not been the best, but not the worst either. So we'll see. But I'm more interested in Meta than Tesla tomorrow, and my new favorite, Nvidia. Okay, what a move this was today! Holy smokes! And when you're starting to have discussions with yourself, if you should hold runners that are already 150%, sell. Okay. What did I do? I had a discussion with Doug about it, and I actually sold the freaking top today. Apple, they were all over Apple and will continue to be. So we're watching that. Okay? As far as the flow here, something very interesting happened today. If this wants to load. There we go. All right, so you got that coming in. Okay, cool. That's pretty sizable, but not the end of the world. So what I wanted to show you was that they were not playing 425s today. They were playing 422s, and they got them pretty early, and that's what I played. But anyways, chances are NFP comes in, not favorable for the market. That does not mean that there's not other catalysts that can do something, but it will definitely be overshadowed tomorrow. So that comes out an hour before, so we'll see when I wake up what's up. If we sell all day, I would think Waller does a little bit of a pump action, and we'll see how low we go. We still haven't hit my high of the week, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Hold on one sec. All right, so this week we hit my low. I have us closing above this trend line. As of right now, we have not hit my high of the week. So we'll see what NFP numbers do. If they do, I got a few Lottos 428s. I'm going to be looking at KRE and Meta and Nvidia mostly. All right. If you watch this pre-market, I hope all this info helps you. And then the market analysis is going to be more in-depth once we know the path of tomorrow and what that data is. It'll paint a better picture of next week and how we can tactically play that Wednesday, most importantly. All right, God bless.